How to choose the right digital marketing institute nowadays is a big challenge. Digital marketing is gaining so much popularity, and it is thanks to its ability to supercharge the business potential. It also ensures better career growth for beginners as well as experienced professionals. The main question that arises is, how do you start your digital marketing journey? The most sought-after ways is to enroll in a digital marketing institute. But how do you analyze which institute is appropriate for you among the vast number of choices available to you? Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to share some insight as well as some tips to choose the right digital marketing institute for your career growth. As the size of the digital marketing industry has increased in recent years, the number of institutes providing digital marketing course has gone up as well. The wide range of choices can be really tricky, right? Understanding your necessity is something which you should be looking forward to. Before even starting to look for a digital marketing course, make sure you know what you are looking for. If you are a beginner, you would want to understand all the aspect of digital marketing and you want to enroll in a course that gives in-depth training in all the aspect of digital marketing. But if you already have enough knowledge and seek to gain expertise in particular module, then you need to go through the time-consuming 360-degree training. So make sure you are well aware of your needs. What are the methods of learning available in digital marketing? The next thing you should be considering is the mode of learning. With the busy lives we have, we need to understand the learning methods we are seeking. Either you want to enroll in a classroom training or an online training program. Also, you would want to learn at your own pace with a self-learning course, or are you seeking a mentor-led training program? If you have time to give to your learning, I would recommend enrolling in a mentor-led training program, as a guidance would help you grow and understand better. But if you have a time constant, you can learn by enrolling in a self-paced course whenever you get the time. Another point to consider before selecting a digital marketing institute: to make sure your course is led by expert trainer. Someone who is an SEO expert might not be able to give your idea about social media marketing, so it becomes necessary to identify whether each module conducted is taught by an expert in the specified domain. Look for an institute where all the specific modules are conducted by expert in specific areas to gain the most out of the learning. Course features. The next thing you need to take into account is the course features, provided it is necessary to check if they provide practical training. Are they going to provide a mentor? Will be internship? Job placement opportunities? Will there to be live projects to work on? Will there be any sort of assessments? After taking all the questions off, you will be able to select an institute that provides hands-on training, which is the foundation of building a successful career. Demo sessions. Before choosing a particular institute, make sure you take up a demo session. With the demo session, you will be able to identify whether the course is appropriate for you. You will be able to identify, did you learn anything in the demo session? Is the environment of the institute correct for your growth? Is the class interactive? Is the learning as per your understanding? If the answer is yes, you should think about enrolling in their course. You can even go on one step further and ask to chat with someone of their former students and check out internet reviews. You will feel more sure about your decision if you do your research. I hope this video provides you with the right information and helps you in choosing the most appropriate digital marketing student for your career growth. For more informative videos on digital marketing, do consider to subscribing to the channel. And if you love this video, then share with your friends and comment us which type of information you want in our future video. Till then, have a good day you all.